Are you tired of your domain not connecting to your website? You set everything up, you followed the instructions from your hosting provider, and yet, nothing. You keep getting that dreaded DNS not found error. Here is exactly how to add DNS records in Cloudflare in under 5 minutes. No more guessing, no more waiting around. We will walk through logging in, selecting your domain, and adding a CNAME record step by step. Let us get your site live. Start by logging into your Cloudflare account. This is your dashboard, the control center for all your domains. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to sign up first. But for now, just head to cloudflare.com and log in. Once you are in, you will see a list of all the websites or domains you have added. This is the main overview screen. So now, click on the domain you want to manage, the one that is giving you trouble. Just give it a click, and it will open up that domain's specific settings. This is where all the magic happens for that particular website. All right, once you are inside that domain's dashboard, look over to the left-hand side panel. You'll see a menu with a bunch of different options. The one we need is DNS. Just click on that. It will take you straight to the DNS management page. Now, on this DNS page, you will see a few tabs near the top. The default one is usually records, but just double check and click on records to make sure you are seeing all your existing DNS entries. This is where you can see any records you have already set up, and it is also where we will add the new one. To add a new record, look for the blue button that says Add Record. Go ahead and click that. A new row will appear with a few blank fields for you to fill out. And here is the really important part. First, choose the type from the drop-down menu. For this example, we are going to select CNAME. A CNAME record is what you use to point a subdomain, like www, to another domain name. Your hosting provider, whether it is Shopify, GitHub Pages, or something else, will tell you exactly which type of record you need. So if they say CNAME, that is what you choose. If they say an A record, you would select that instead. But for today, let us stick with CNAME. Next, type the name. This is the part of your domain you want to point. If you want to point your bare domain, the one without the www, you would type the @ symbol. That is shorthand for the root domain. If you wanted to point just the www version, you would type www. Your service provider will tell you exactly what to put here. Then enter the target. This is the destination you want your domain to point to. It is usually another domain name provided by your service, like yourstore.myshopify.com or yourusername.github.io. Just copy and paste that target into the field. Finally, click Save. That is it. Cloudflare will apply the record immediately. It might take a minute or two to propagate across the internet, but you have successfully added the record. Your domain should now connect to your service, and that is all there is to it. You went from a domain that would not connect to one that is now properly configured and resolving. If you run into any issues, double-check the type, name, and target against what your service is asking for. It is almost always a small typo that causes the problem. Thanks for watching, and go get your site live.